It's possible to link colours in a variety of ways. In each case, you have to set your parent colour and define the relationship between the parent and the child. One option is to make a colour a tint of its parent. Here's my yellow star, very pretty, but I really want it to be a tint of the blue in my circle. Let's call up the colour editor and select Advanced Options. And go to Tint of another colour. I want to make my star a tint of my blue, which is a named colour called Movie Blue. Now you can see that I can adjust the slider and choose my tint of Movie Blue. If you look at the HSV values here, the saturation value is being adjusted, but the hue and value remain unchanged. In practice, that means I can make my child colour lighter than its parent. A second possibility is to make a colour a shade of its parent. Let's return to yellow star and blue circle. Go again to the colour editor and this time select Shade of another colour. Movie Blue is again the parent. Now my child colour will remain the same hue as its parent, as with the tint, but I can adjust both the saturation and value. In practice, that means I can make it both darker and lighter than its parent. Both shade and tint are in fact subsets of what's possible using linked colours. If I go back to my yellow star and blue circle, and this time choose Linked to another colour, stick with the same Movie Blue, you'll see that I now have a whole range of options for linking colours, because I can select my colour model, RGB, HSV, CMYK, etc. If, for example, I choose RGB, well, now I have the possibility of linking the red, or the green, or the blue. So how might you use these linking colour features? Well, I'll show you an example that makes good use of them. This car has many colours, but most of the bodywork colours are linked to the main parent colour. Here it is in the list Colour of Car. So now if I change the hue of my parent, you'll see all the linked colours within the car change together. It's a big time saver, and it makes it very easy to experiment with your colour schemes.